what's up? I'm about to do this video. I got my camera working finally. It took a lot. I figured out what was going on with it. I had a lens on my camera that wasn't a native lens, so it wasn't a Canon lens. It was a Sigma lens. And for some reason, you can't use that for the webcam. Maybe I'm just doing something wrong, but as soon as I put in, I have a Canon RP, EOS RP, and as soon as I put the RF lens on, it started right up. So I was like, dang, that whole time I was struggling to do that, and I finally got it working. So here we are, finally. I'm doing a video with my correct camera. I don't love the location just yet because it's way over there, and the Sigma lens was an 18 to 35, so it gave me a lot more to play with. This one is just a 35, so I don't know. I mean, it's cool because I guess the 35 or the 18 would have been a little bit wider, so this is still, I mean, it's not super wide, so it's still cool. But anyway, I was thinking about starting this video, and I was gearing up to do it. I was just on YouTube, or I was just on Instagram, and I was just, you know how you get on Instagram and you see people, they doing stuff, and you're like, dang, like, what am I doing in my life? What am I doing wrong? And so I was like, dang, like, I seen this girl that has this job that I want, and she's like, I don't know, maybe like 23. I'm like, I'm 28. I'm cooked. It's over. And I thought about that TikTok where the dude's like, at what age is too old to follow your dreams? I'm like, bro, 28 might be it. I don't know. So I've just been thinking about that and dealing with that. So I was like, you know what, let me react. Let me do a reaction. Let me just have some fun. I love doing police videos, so right now we're going to do a man who believes he's pregnant. I don't know the details, but I love this channel. I believe it's, hold up, I'm going to just check it out for y'all. So Columbus Police Body Cam. He does awesome work and uploads and is super, I mean, I'm a subscriber of his, so I do recommend this channel. We're going to watch this video, see what's going on.
That's bullshit.
What's your name, buddy? What's your name?
Look, I'm already deceased. It's Robert Aaron Faust. No shot.
Oh yeah, he's tripping right there. So I don't know. I mean, hey, I'm not. We can't say that they are or they are not pregnant because we don't know. You know, there's you know, gender and things of this day. Like you could be a man and technically pregnant. So we got to explore some more. But when he's kind of they, when they're moving around kind of frantically and, you know, kind of like you ever see somebody moving too fast, you can tell they're on that. Yeah, no, something's not right. They on that stuff.
I'm deceased.
What's going on?
They ain't deceased. They are deceased. Funky, groovy. Oh, mental health crisis. Okay. Is that a dog or a person? That's not like a person. Like, bro thinks he is a dog. This seems like a lot.
Police.
There's a lot going on here. I feel like as an officer, right, in this situation right here, right, like you got people talking at the door. There's obviously some kind of commotion, some kind of disagreement about what's going on in this situation. And I feel like this officer standing here with his hands in his pocket, like, you know, not to say he should pull a gun or nothing, but I'm just saying, like, you know, kind of get more prepared. Like, you know, sometimes you see something popping off, so you might just kind of, you know, put that right foot back, you know, just so you have a little leverage in case something goes down. This guy's just like, he like, this might be a shift change, so he's ready to go home. Can't believe I'm here. He looks aggravated. Okay. Why are they not?
I'm the what?
He said he's a Columbus cop.
Is that a guy? I guess it sounds like a girl's voice, I thought, but I mean, for the call details, it would be the brother. It just kind of sounds like a girl yelling.
Now he's got his back turned on the door. This is crazy.
God. What's going on? I'm pregnant. You know, hell no. Ask the Marathi, get the fuck out of here. Come on. Get the fuck out of here.
Who said
No, I'm
that?
not coming out. No, that bitch kept me. You can see I'm pregnant. Huh? Yeah, ask the Marathi. Ask the Marathi.
Nah, yo, this cop does not want to be there. I don't know if I'm crazy. It seems like he's ready to get off, and he just.
Woman right there keeps fucking on me. Like, you know who the fuck I am.
Okay,
I've never met you in my life.
Never met you in my life.
Doesn't mean
Black
anything.
short, I'm the fucking man and the woman.
Okay.
I'm the man,
I
I'm the
Mariah,
woman.
you know what the fuck's going on, right?
No.
No.
You have the Clarion, it's getting ready to collapse.
Aaron, talk to him, please.
It's bullshit.
What's your name, buddy? What's your name?
Look, I'm already deceased. It's Robert Aaron.
I'm already
Fountain.
deceased.
No shot. I'm deceased.
What's going on, Robert?
Okay, the woman in here, Luann, okay. One minute she's okay. She's someone different. Here, I got pictures. Okay. I got pictures. Hold on. Wait till you see this shit.
So look at how fast they are moving. Like, that's a giveaway. Like, one time I was at the gym and I was, working out or whatever, and there was this couple next to me and they was moving real fast, and I was like, okay, like, there's something going on with them. They're not, in the right headspace or whatever the case may be. But when people are moving just too fast, you need to, brace yourself. Kind of, not brace yourself, but just, take a look at them, see what's going on, observe the situation. Because something's going on. Like, I don't know if it's the Fetty or what, but they moving way too fast.
I went around the house.
Is this your house?
Yes, it is.
Can we step inside and talk with you?
Hold on.
I would not go in there.
All right.
Just hold on. She stole my stuff last night.
Who is she?
Susie? Rick, help me out, honey. Huh? You can take me to the hospital, right?
That's probably the best option.
Huh?
So that's probably the best.
No, my fucking phone's locked up. Because they keep fucking locking my phone up. Where's your certificate of your thing?
I don't know what you're talking about.
I want to see your certificate of your fucking training.
If you're training?
Did you get trained? Huh?
Yeah.
Did you?
Why would I be here if I
Listen,
Why
I'm
would I be
fine.
here if I wasn't?
I just want her to. I'll believe with him, okay? That's fine.
Robert, right?
It's Robert, yeah.
Robert.
I'm fine. I know
Okay.
who you are.
So you seem a little bit
I am
manic.
pregnant. I am pregnant.
Okay.
I am pregnant.
Okay, but we're not here to talk about that.
No, I am.
What-
I'm sorry. I do work for the force. I'm sorry. You guys, listen, I don't know how you guys are taking up with this right now.
Robert,
This
do you
place
take
is
any kind of medication or anything?
No, I don't have to anymore.
I'm not saying you have to. I'm just asking you.
No, I don't know.
Okay. Have
I feel like this job is so hard because how do you deal with the situation? Like, I just feel like sometimes you get into these situations where you could tell someone's is obviously having some kind of crisis or going through something, but it's still like you have to follow the steps and talk to them, and it's like I've seen a couple other videos where people are just like out of their mind talking, just about things that aren't there or things that aren't happening, and you have to like talk to them and be like, okay, like what's going on? And it's like, no, this person, it would be, I don't know what the legal parameters are, but it would just either be just like, all right, let's just go to the hospital, like you're coming with me, but you got to talk to them, you can't just kidnap people. It's against the law.
you have a doctor or you have a counselor you
No,
talk to?
Yeah, I do.
When's the last time you've talked with them?
I actually go tomorrow. It's tomorrow Thursday?
Not
It's
quite.
Wednesday.
It's Wednesday.
Yeah, Wednesday. I go Thursday.
You have an appointment on Thursday?
I feel bad now.
No, you're fine. What's your appointment for?
I feel bad for you
Robert.
guys now.
Robert, what's your appointment Thursday for?
It's it's at 12:30.
Yeah, but what's it for?
Oh, it's a in the village, just it's lighthouse.
Oh, okay.
But
Is there a
what do you-
screen
what do you
door or
go
no
there to talk
screens?
to
I don't know
them
what we're
about?
talking through. Yeah, there's no screen.
Okay, so I'm about ready to be on my A21312 Atlas or my Acnom. I used to have like a little addiction problem. I didn't take stuff. You can call Dr. Smith if you want.
Okay.
I'm supposed to be like out, like done and like stuff. I do have a house when I'm done. When I fully go to my woman's self.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So what's going on tonight that we can help you with?
Well, what she's doing is, when she's good,
Who's she?
Luann.
And where's she at?
She's right there. She's right there. I don't know where she's at. Like, they keep making us fight.
Who's making you
I don't
fight?
know, it's like something keeps, it's like the in and out stuff.
In and out.
They're in, they're out.
What do you mean?
Like
Like
she's
the
in, she's
movie?
out. And heaven's gone. Jehovah lives over there.
Is she your aunt?
She is my aunt.
I looked
How
over
long
there.
has she lived here with you?
Oh my God. Not long.
Okay. And who else lives here? Just
Ricky.
is it
Well,
just
that's
a,
Ricky. And one-
See, I feel like once you said that Jehovah was out there, like, yeah, you got to come with me, buddy.
is it just the three of you?
And Heather. And there's people coming in and out that I can't see because they told me I'm here.
Yeah.
To me, I'm already in AT 1, 2, 3, 4 CPE. You can take down my down my badge. I'm in Kensington.
So Robert, I mean, if I'm being real with you, Robert, I think you would strongly benefit from talking to somebody tonight.
I'll ride with him if that's fine.
Well, I think that he's kind of concerned with how you're acting, and he would prefer we give you a ride.
That's weird. Like,
Yeah.
Where would you like to go?
I don't know. Where am I going to go? She's trying to get me out of here. She don't want me to live here.
Well, I think right now they're more concerned with kind of how you're feeling in your head right now.
Yeah.
Okay.
We'd like to help you with that.
Right.
Okay. You want to take a ride with us, like Doctors West, LSU?
We'll take you to whatever hospital you prefer, Robert.
What am I going to do there, though?
So I think it would.
See, I feel like there's always these times where like you have this crisis, and I really feel like a lot of these people like don't want to go to the hospital or don't want to seek, like when they're in the middle of the crisis, like it's kind of hard for them to like get there. And so I feel like saying, like, I don't know, there's gotta be better ways to phrase it. Like, hey, we're gonna get you some help with our friends at the Huntington Medical. I don't know. You say hospital, they're like, oh no, I don't want to go there. Oh.
I think it would benefit
Connect you
They
with
shock
some
me.
resources that would try to help you kind of calm down what's going on in your mind right now. Because I mean, you're not resting right now. You don't seem like you're in a content place in your mind. Is that fair to say?
I'm fine. Listen, I've been around for a very, very long time.
Yeah.
You already know.
Okay.
Listen, I know you are. You're
Okay.
Lucifer.
Yeah. No,
You're Lucifer.
I've not met you personally.
I
but-
got you out of that place. And listen, you don't let anybody touch you.
I try not to.
Listen. I had you. I was the model you had you. I don't know
Okay.
what happened to that man.
Robert, would you be willing to? What's your brother's name? Ricky. So, Ricky's calling concerned about you. Okay. Ricky's concerned about you. I think your aunt's concerned about you.
Yeah. Well.
And you're telling me that they're going to take you to the
Well,
hospital.
she says you're going to sleep under a bush.
So no, they're telling.
I'm not going to sleep under a bush and I'm pregnant. You know what I mean? How am I going to do that? You know what I mean?
So Robert,
I don't know. What I do like though, I'm gonna like throw some some good jobs towards the officer. I feel like they're doing both of the officers are doing very good. Like I think obviously nobody wants to be at work, but like I think they're doing very good. They're not escalating the situation. They're not like, all right, you're coming in handcuffs, right? Like granted, like I did say that I would like to see something like that, but I think overall they're doing a very good job talking to this person and like working with them. Like I used to work in a situation like I used to have a job where I dealt with people that were going through crises and things like that, and you find that there is some validity in talking to them. Granted, there is like a certain point that you can't really, you can only go so far, especially if you're not like a medical professional. But if you just talk to them and like try and help them, now granted you don't want to tell them that they're like the stuff that they're going through isn't real, but like talk to them and see what's going on. I remember I was talking to a kid that was telling me that like the lights outside his window were like burnt, like shining in on him, and they were watching him. And like granted, like that sounds wild, but I can be like, okay, I can like report that to someone else and they can kind of take, maybe there's some kind of paranoia, schizophrenia, whatever the case may be. But like if I was just like, all right, shut up, like you're acting weird, you're coming with me, like that's not gonna get me anywhere, right? It probably might get me like punched or something. Whereas if you talk to them, you can find out some more information and be like, oh, okay, like maybe like as a medical professional, diagnose them. So these guys obviously aren't diagnosing them, but they're at least hearing this person out and then also trying to get them medical services without being overly aggressive or changing the tone of the situation to make it where it flips out, right? Like you see like a lot of times people come to mental health crisis situations and then the person ends up getting shot, and it's like, like granted, like the police are, that's kind of a thing that they do, but if like there's some validity and there's some things that can come from just talking and this person doesn't have a weapon, they're not dangerous. Talk to them, see what's going on, see if we can talk them into getting help. Like
Do you go to a hospital very often?
No, I really don't.
What's the last hospital you've been to?
The last hospital I've been to, it's probably Doctor's West. It's been on very, very.
How was that experience at Doctor's West?
Honestly, I haven't been. I haven't, because I really haven't. I've
been a
not
long
been sick.
time.
I don't get sick.
Yeah.
I got like a little.
Have you
sore
gone
throat.
for anything else to the hospital recently?
Not really, no.
Okay. Would you like to go talk to somebody tonight about what's going on?
No, I'm fine, honestly. I'm really fine tomorrow. I'm going to the doctor tomorrow. So.
Thursday, right?
Well, that's 2 days away, and right now, I mean, do you know what time it is right now? Without looking,
Yeah, it's like, what is it, like 3:30?
3:30.
About 3:38.
No, it's not. It's not that late, but it's it's a little after midnight, and
Look, hold on, I got. Hold on. Let me see the machine, okay? We'll show you the machine.
are they even really willing to
Have
talk
you
to
ever
us?
seen that shampoo before in the United States?
Robert, can we step in and talk with you and Ricky?
Yeah. Okay, that's fine.
Is that okay if we
That's
step
fine.
in and talk
That's fine.
with you and Ricky?
Yeah. I'm gonna get some.
Yeah, sure.
How's it going?
Good, how you doing, buddy?
Sounds like
Yeah, we're going
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
I appreciate your help, buddy.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you, man.
Yeah, and just so your brother, his
That's
aunt,
awesome.
and
Cousin.
cousin.
Yeah.
All right. Well, yeah, we'll get him up there, and
All right,
hopefully,
buddy.
things go better for him.
Sorry to
okay?
interrupt tonight. But
No, don't be sorry at all. Call us when you need us,
All right,
okay?
buddy. Take care. Have a good holiday.
Yes, sir. You too.
Yeah.
Lord. All right, buddy.
Crazy, huh? Crazy, huh?
You?
No, I'm just saying this whole thing.
Oh, no, that's.
Okay, that's fine.
Yep, yeah, you're
Okay.
buckled in. There you go.
There you go.
Yeah, here you go. What's that?
Your back.
I do not. They might in there.
I started getting out $2,000 there for this conveyor board that we keep flying on. So we don't back down on there. That's good.
Hey, I'm not gonna lie, this was a really good video. Like, I really do think those officers did a very great job. I mean, given the situation, they were patient and friendly, and it sounds like the people that were there, got the assistance they needed for their brother, nephew, whatever the case may be, or I don't know their gender, but given what they were saying, it seems like they got help and it worked out very well for them, and so that's awesome. I feel like I'm about to cry, low key. So I don't know, it's just kind of heartfelt. Like talked to him, helped him out, took him to the hospital. Man, I'm glad that was a good situation, and I'm glad that ended well. Man, somebody's chopping onions in here.
Life of a Kennedy, James Dean rollout. Summer spent in places most my people never know about.